Hello guys, and welcome to another Zimaleta. In today's video, I'm doing a tool review of this Kobalt XTR 24-volt max 7¼ inch circular saw. It's got a 5-year warranty by Kobalt, and it says it's 25% faster. It is a brushless, which means that battery will last a lot longer. It does not come with a battery, but right now they're on sale for $109 at Lowe's.com, and I actually ordered it straight from their website. I got it to replace this, which was my battery operated, type of a portable saw. And in today's video, I'm going to do a comparison to this versus this. I'm gonna spoil it for you, and I'm gonna tell you this thing is like not even a comparison, like sucks. This was my go-to saw, which is by default. It is one of the best saws that they make. It is very light. It's got some kind of technology where it will actually not cut the cable if the cable gets cut, because this is like one of the things that is done at the construction sites. People are cutting off their cables when they're using these circular saws. I've never done it. But you could expect, people working at this construction site that's out of high school, they're probably not paying attention, they're cutting stuff, and then boom, they messing tools up. So one of the answers to that is, of course, use a battery powered one. But if the battery powered one just does not last on that battery, how good is that tool really? It is almost pointless. However, not pointless completely, because when you get something like this that is going to last, which I haven't tested yet, and we will, if it lasts, then at least you could get like, I don't know, like 10-20 cuts out of it, for like a regular type of use at home. That would be great, but if you got a bunch of batteries and you could just keep swapping them out, you could just continuously use it, that would be awesome. But anyways, let's go ahead and actually get this tool out, and we're going to immediately go into the testing phase. We're going to stick a 2 amp-hour battery on there, to test it, because if you got something bigger, then hey, good for you. That means it's going to last you even longer. Comes in this awesome box, and it's got a zip tie lock here that you do need to cut open. So it opens up like this. We have a 2 amp-hour battery right here that is fully charged. It's got a tester on there. So here we go. We open it up. It looks like we have this. I don't know what that is. I guess it's good that it comes with it. Okay, so wow, what is this? Another thing I have no clue about. So anyways, let's go ahead and actually just close it, slide it out of the way. Now, last time I picked up one of these was my DeWalt, and the blade was on the wrong way. Same thing with porter cable, blade was on the wrong way. I'm not sure if they do that so that people will not get their fingers cut, maybe at the factory. But not only that, I bought a chainsaw with a blade, which is bar and chain on the wrong way. No, I definitely like this. Look, they got the cuts in the metal, they got the cuts here. This is actually to prevent the blade. I'm just gonna call it a blade. I like calling everything blade. Keep the blade from overheating. And that's kind of cool. Look, it does this little number. Let me see if these other ones do that. Okay. So anyways, this is the direction that it's going, and let's see, and that's the direction that it's going. So wow, they actually put this correctly. So the arrow is going that way, and this is going that way. So anyways, here we have the adjustment of how deep you want it. Well, this is, for opening up, obviously, but this is for adjusting some of these other things. Like you see, like this, to the side right here. So So you have to push this to adjust this other stuff. And how do you adjust this up and down? Right here. So here's the lock. So what I'm going to try to do is, I don't like to adjust it like very deep. So I'm going to adjust it like right there and lock it. Now these locks are made out of plastic. Unless it's some kind of really good plastic, I'm definitely like not a fan of that. This DeWalt here got the metal ones. And believe me, I had to knock it with a hammer a few times just to try to get it locked up good and stuff. But I'm not sure if this is, well, I could see this slightly spins as I'm doing it. The plastic itself is not bending. Maybe it's some kind of good plastic. Let's just hope it is. But 5-year warranty, guys. It's got 5-year warranty. So if it breaks, then hey, you know, it's all good. So here we have, I don't know what this is. I don't even know what this is. But it's something. Oh, it's a hook to hang it. That's man, that's awesome. Never had them have that before. But anyways, guys, let's go straight to the testing phase. And let's see, you have to hold it. Okay. Now let's try to put a battery on this port cable. Try to do this. Battery is not fully charged, but I did 2 cuts with a skill saw using this battery. So same thing, you have to hold it. Obviously, this is what you get with that. So DeWalt, we're not going to test in this video just yet. That's obviously an awesome saw. There's like no comparison. Most important thing is to test these 2 battery operated ones just to see the difference. So let's go do that. The idea that I have is basically just cut all this wood off like that, you know. So first we're going to try to use this port cable and see how well it does. This is obviously going to be in the way. Guys, you could see this clearly. There's no problem with the blade. It's a brand new blade on there. It just keeps getting stuck. It spins almost like something you would find kids playing with, like the 2-year-olds, you know, like with their, you know, their toys, the electrical toys. It's a really slow spin. So let's try this one now. Cuts like butter, guys. I got into some kind of area there. Let's see. Well, what do you think, guys? They say pictures speak louder than words, but what about a video, guys? That definitely speaks for itself, man. What else is there for me to say? The only thing is, I guess, let's see the battery life. Looks like we have half a battery left. So that means I could actually cut up another pallet just like that, and battery life is going to be left over. You might be wondering, why am I cutting up a pallet? Well, I don't know. This is just going to be like a good test. It's a free pallet anyways, so we'll use it for whatever. But that kind of gives a good idea, you know, like if you have a pallet, you kind of like imagine yourself like how many wood is on that pallet, and you've seen how many cuts I did, just to see how long it's gonna like last you. So if you got 2-3 batteries and you're working at home and the battery's on charge, like I have like 2 chargers and 3 batteries, so I always have like 2 batteries charging, 1 battery that I'm using, so I could just keep popping them on, just keep using it, It's so convenient to have a battery operated, you know, type of saw, any drill, because it's just so you know, it makes your job a whole lot easier. It is not convenient, however, when you put a battery on there and you're trying to cut it, it cuts like a kid's toy. I mean, look how slow it cuts. It sounds like it cuts fast, but when you actually go to try to cut it, it's really slow. Look at this one. I mean, this thing is like crazy fast. Oh man, I'm like so stoked. I definitely did not expect this out of this circular saw right here, because you know, it just takes a lot of power to spin one of these things, and having a 2 amp hour battery, I kind of thought, you know, we could probably do 4 or 5 cuts like that, like on a pallet, to actually cut all the boards and stuff, and then it's gonna die. But man, was I wrong? And that pallet is actually not thick wood, and I kind of chose that for a reason, because, you know, I want to give this porta cable a chance at, you know, at cutting something. But obviously, you know, it looks beefy and stuff, but not beefy enough. You know, it's just not going to be good. So anyways guys, write your comments below. What do you guys think? I definitely think I need to test this versus like a Milwaukee battery powered, or Makita, you know, something along those lines, maybe like even a DeWalt. Trying to compare it to one of these porta cables that's kind of like outdated. It's a pretty old tool. I've had it for a while. I thought it was good. No, not anymore though. Probably need to sell them if I still can, because what a waste of time to even try to use these. I do have like a combo where I got a flashlight with it, like over there, and I got like a drill. See, I have a porta cable drill, porta cable flashlight. I got 2 batteries. I got a charger. So it seems like a good combo, but not really. But anyways, guys, this concludes the test. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. So that's a cut number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. I actually need like some firewood. That's 10. It's 11.
Good job, Dad.
You like that?
Yes.
Cuts fast.
I would like to use it. I'm actually done.
Look at that. You're done. So right now,
let's listen to this baby purr, how it revs and stuff. Take a listen.
Some revs. That's what I'm talking about. Man. Nice.